Hello everyone, welcome to ExamPreptool 30 days DSA challenge. I hope you are enjoying it, right? So those people who are watching, right? So please make it as a serious habit. So please watch all the challenges whatever we are giving. Every day one challenge we are giving with answer. Please go through it, and if you find out at any way any improvement, if you feel, sir, this approach is not done, this is better. If you feel some better approaches are there, because I cannot teach everything, so I take in the better approach. If you feel some other better approach, please let me know. So we will also improve. Yesterday I explained the what exactly problem is. I have two linked list. I have two linked lists which are actually two numbers. See the first linked list 420, but actual number is 420, which shown in the form of a linked list. For every digit, one node of the linked list. And one more number I have 182, which is shown in the form of a linked list for every digit, one node. Now you have to add both of them, which became 602. For every digit, you have to show in the form of a linked list. This is the actual problem. I have two numbers which are shown in the form of a linked list. You have to add them, you have to show the result again in the form of a linked list. That is exactly what the problem is. In the last class, I already explained. Right? Let's see the solution for this. Let's see the solution. I think many people know. Many people know. Let me give rough diagram. I'm giving rough diagram. I'm giving rough diagram, so let me explain here. I have one page, I will explain here. Maybe you tried, I hope you tried. So let me explain now. So first number is 420. First number is 420 in the form of a linked list. Second number, if you see 182, I think so. Second number is 182. Yeah. Second number is 182 in the form of a linked list. So the idea is different people are having different opinions. You may be having some other idea. I may be having some other idea. You see how much efficient my idea is. If you feel that your idea is better than me, so please write in the comment section. I will see if it is a really better one. I can make one more video. So 420, right? So 182 is 182. So what you do is, right? Because this is there in the form of a linked list. It is a single linked list. It is there in the form of a single linked list. So what you do is 420. So just reverse it. You know very well how to reverse linked list. We are already discussed in the previous challenges. Reverse the number first. This also reverse it. After reversing over LST, least significant digit becomes most significant digit. Most significant digit become least significant digit, because addition will start from LSD. Addition will start from here. But because of it is a linked list, I have to do from the last. It will become complex. So what you do is addition will be done from the least significant digit. But in the linked list, going to last one, from there doing, it will become difficult. So best thing is reverse first. Reverse the linked list. You know very well how to reverse. Right? In the previous classes, I already discussed. After reversing over, it is the LSD, least significant digit, the most significant digit. Least significant digit, most significant digit. After reversing, this is the story. Then now you can add. So add these two. So isn't that carry 0? Carry as of now not there. Carry 0 as of now. Now 0 plus 2, this carry 0 add. 0 plus 2, this carry 0 also add. So let us assume that. Digit 1 here. Digit 1 here. Let us assume that. Digit 1 plus digit 2. Assume that it is the digit 1, it is the digit 2. Let us assume. So D1 plus D2 plus carry also, which is equal to sum. So 0 plus 2 plus 0, right? Which is going to be 2. And one more thing is, after getting the sum, you have to check the sum. If the sum is greater than 10, if the sum is greater than, I think you can say greater than or equal to 10, 10 or greater than 10. If the sum is greater than or equal to 10, either 10 or more than 10, then carry is equal to 1. Then carry is equal to 1. Please careful. If the sum is, I'm repeating once again this. calculate the sum first. Okay, after calculating sum, you have to check one condition. If sum is greater than or equal to 10, then carry is equal to 1. Then carry is equal to 1. So observe properly. If sum is greater than or equal to 10, carry becomes 1. And one more thing you have to do, one more thing I have to do, because of carry is going, carry will be forwarded to the further story, but sum, because of carry is going, sum should be sum mod 10. Suppose let us that sum became 19. Carry 1 going, definitely sum should be 9. So here, this is the place sum area. This is the place sum area. Sum will be kept here. So sum should be that S mod 10. Sum should be S mod 10. Everyone know if at all sum is 9, 9 mod 10 is 9 only. If sum is 19, 19 mod 10 becomes 9. So what I mean to say is, if sum crosses 10 or more than 10, so carry becomes 1. And sum is equal to sum mod 10. Sum is equal to sum mod 10. If you want, you can keep in the loop also, no problem. Sum will be adjusted. This is the only thing which you have to follow. This is the only thing which you have to follow. Every time calculate the sum. Every time calculate the sum. Sum is equal to D1 plus D2 plus carry. If sum is greater than or equal to 10, carry becomes 1. Sum is equal to sum mod 10. Sum is equal to sum mod 10. Suppose that this condition is failed. Sum will be as it is. Whatever there, same thing. Right? Fine. I think perfect. People got the clarity. Let me check. 0 plus 2 plus 0, 2. I think carry is, if you see the carry, right, as of now, 0 only. Because this is not executed. This is not executed. Carry is outside. Outside carry 0 only, as of now. As of now. Initially, sum is 0 only. Initially, sum also 0. Right? I think people got the clarity. Now, let's go further. So now it is the digit 1. Now it is the digit 2. So see this one, 2 plus 8 is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. Carry is already 0. Just total became 10. 10 is greater than or equal to 10. Yes, carry becomes 1. Sum is equal to sum mod 10. 10 mod 10. I think remainder is 0. So S contains 0. Carry is 1. Now next same story will repeat further. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Right? So it is a 4. It is a 1. It is a 1. Totally became 6. Right? S is greater than or equal to 10. No. So I think same. Continue further until both the people are stopped. Now listen. So the next digit is null. And the linked list next digit is null. Next digit here also null. Both are null. If both are null, check the carry. If the carry also 0, you can keep here also null. If the carry is also 0, then you can keep here also null. Suppose at that time carry is not null, then keep the carry, further make null. That is the one thing. Lastly, one small step. If both are null, check the carry. If the carry is 0, then keep in the result also null. Suppose carry is not 0, carry is something else, then right, with the help of that carry, create one node. Next you can keep the null. So I think this algorithm is very simple. First reverse it, then do the normal addition. Right? First reverse it, do the normal addition. Whenever you are doing a normal addition, carry concept will come. Please check carry is coming or not. Suppose assume that sum is greater than or equal to 10, carry will come. Otherwise, carry will not come. Continue until both the linked lists are over. If both the linked lists are over, check the carry. Still carry there. Let us assume that previous people, I think previous people year 4, they assume that year 4, they year let us that 9 there. 4 plus 9 becomes 13. Right? By including the previous carry, maybe 14. 4 will be here. 1 will be last. So null. Right? I think null means both are over. Lastly, whatever carry there, you can keep. right? I hope people got. If you don't get, so I can take one more number. See this one, 428, 428. Let us assume that. Next one is 189. Let us assume. So I think after reversing, right? After reversing only this number. Let us assume that these are the numbers after reversing. It is the least. It is the after reversing. This is the least significant digit. It is the most significant digit. So let me add. Carry is initially 0. 4 plus 1, 5. Carry is 0. So finally 5 plus 0 is 5. No carry. Keep as it is. 2 plus 8 is 10, right? Which is the greater than or equal to 10. So carry becomes 1. So remainder is 10 more 10 is 0. Now next one, 8 plus 9 is I think 6, 17. Carry is already 1, 18. So 18 is greater than or equal to 10. So carry becomes still 1. So I think it became 18. Now I think further if you see both are null, then see the carry. Carry 1, keep the carry 1. Further you keep null. Right now, if you see the answer, 824, 981. If you add, I'm reversing it. If you add normal way, right? Normal way, if you reverse it, 824, 981. If you add, let's check. It is the 5. 2 8 is 10. So 9 is 18. Right? I think this result, right? You know very well. After reversing, if you add, answer also you have to reverse it. 1805. After reversing, 1805. Same answer. Reverse all. I reversed this. I got this. I reversed this. I got this. I reversed this. I got this. Same answer. So please careful. There is some carry concept. I think if you observe clearly, one scan item. If you observe clearly, one scan. First reverse it. Both the people reverse it. That may be one scan. Afterwards, just keep on add digit by digit. There is a carry concept. Please take care. I written the program also. For your convenience, I written the program also. Right? Major lines I highlighted. Let's see this. See the major lines. Everyone. So from the main program, so see this one. Let us assume that small, right? Some, right? Creating a linked list. You can call a function create. You can create 2 linked lists. So I created 2 linked lists, right? First and second. So first linked list, I done the reverse. You know reverse program. We are already done in the previous classes. You can create a 2 linked list. Create 2 linked lists. Right? Those are first and second. Create 2 linked list here. Right? Those are first and second. So, right, first linked list, reverse. Second linked list also reverse. Both the linked list you reverse. After reversing both the linked list, then call the add function. Remember, after reversing, MST becomes LSD, LSD becomes MST. After reversing, LSD becomes MSD, MSD becomes LSD. Right? Now call the add function. In the add function, if you observe, see this one. There is a first not equal to null, second not equal to null. That means until no one, right? See this one. See, it's the R operator. If one person null also no problem. Further you can continue. Because see this one, linked list. This is the big linked list. This is the small linked list. After reversing, this is the big linked list. It is a small linked list. Then what is the answer? These 2 you will add. 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 So further not coming. But one linked list is coming. Remaining people you can add as it is. So carry plus this person. Carry plus this person. Carry plus this person. If carry is 0, keep as it is. If carry is 1, it will be keep on forwarded depending upon what numbers are there here. You know very well. Means what I mean to say, one linked list over, one more linked list is left out. So carry plus that one. Carry plus, actually here you are adding 3 people. Actually 2 people not adding, 3 people adding. One person is carry. Initially 0. One person is carry, initially 0. Please careful. Right? So these 2 people add. Carry 0 also add. If at all carry will come, continue further, same story. So this while loop is going on until 2 people become null. If one person null, no problem, continue. If 2 people null, then only stop. This while loop starting point is here, ending point here. This function starting point here, ending point is here. Don't worry which programming language it is. Programming language will differ by syntax. Programming language will differ by syntax. Other than nothing. It may be C, it may be C++. It is a C or C++. Everything same. I know 4 programming languages, all same. I know 4 programming languages. I know C, C++, Java, and Python. I know 4 programming languages. I got to everything is similar. Just major thing is what is the logic. Please try to find out the logics. Then learn some language and syntax will come. Right? Create. Right? Some people are asking, creating linked list how, sir? How will you create linked lists, sir? What is there in that? In C language, you may use malloc. In C language, you may use malloc. In the C++, you may use new. Small keywords will differ, almost remaining all similar. Don't think that much about programming language. Whichever language you are comfortable, please go ahead. Right? So C language, C++ language, similar. That is the reason C program can run in C++ compiler. In C++ compiler, C also can run. Both are similar except a few places. Other than object-oriented features, both will be similar. Right? Fine. So whatever language you are comfortable, you can implement in that language. Understand the logics first. Yeah, now while loop is going on until 2 people become null. If one person null also, it will continue. Because, right, one person null also, it will continue because remaining people are zeros. Second one, don't bother. Right? So I think that code also there. If you want, you can see here. That code also there. If you want, you can see here. See this one. So while first one not equal to null, second one not equal, means both the linked list, both the numbers are available. Now see what he's doing. Sum is equal to carry plus. If the first one, see this one. If the first one is null, see this one. If the first one, see this one. First one not null, then take first data. If the first one is null, then take 0. One linked list is available, one linked list not available. Not available person take 0. It is a ternary operator, everyone know. So the meaning of this one is if the first not equal to null, then take first data. If the first is equal to null, then take 0. Similar way, if the second not equal to null, take second data. Otherwise, take 0. Means available, take it. Not available, take 0. Carry is initially 0. Sum anyhow updating, sum is not 0. If you want, you can keep sum 0. So finally, you got the sum. Both the people you added. Suppose that after reversing, one person is 5, one person is 7. Both the people you added. Carry already 0 is there. So finally, you got 5 plus 7, 12k. 12k. Now see, sum is 12. Careful. Now see what he is doing further. Now check the sum is greater than or equal to 10. Yes. If at all greater than or equal to 10, if this condition true, sum will, right, carry will be 1. Otherwise, carry 0. I think 12 is greater than or equal to 10. So carry will become 1. Okay. Then sum becomes sum modulo 10. Do the mod operation. 12 modulo 10 is, I think sum becomes 2. Carry already taken care. So this also completed. Then create one new node, because to keep the result, you have to create one new node. In the new node, you can keep this data, you can adjust it. Other than this, nothing there. So this is the adjustment. New node adjustment story going on. So creating a new node. This is the new node creation. How to create, right? Using the new function. Because of new, I am using C++ language. Using the new function, create a node. Inside that node, keep the data. All the adjustments are going on. Right? Now, next one. This while loop is going on. Who should increment? Sir, first will increment or second will increment? Who should increment? Whenever this while loop is going on, already you done 1 digit addition. You have to go further digits. Who should increment? Right? You have to check. If the first is not null, then increment first. If the second also not null, then increment second. Whoever not null, increment. If first one is not null, increment first one. If the second one is not null, increment second one. Suppose both not null, both will increment. Only one person not null, only one person will increment. So continue. This loop is keep on continue until both became null. Continue until both. Suppose isn't that one person is more, one person less. Suppose first person is more, second person is less. Then what is the answer? First person only will increment. First is equal to first next many times. Second one may not do. But here, see, whenever whichever is not available, that will be taken by 0. No problem. Right? Lastly, while loop is over means both are completed. While loop is over means both are completed, then both became null. Both became null, then you are out of the while loop. Then what you do is just check at that time carry greater than 0. If carry greater than 0, create one more node with the carry. Suppose carry greater than 0 means carry 1. With the data 1, create one more node, add that node to the list. To the result you can add C, right? In the result, last person will be pointed by temp next is equal to new node, then return that. So returning one will comes to here. Then lastly you got the result, but you have to reverse it again. After reversing the answer, you got simply one while loop solving the problem. All the precautions I am taken care, see the code, right? Creating linked list, small things I am not done, but major part I done. Right? So one while loop is going on for both the people until both became null. This while loop is keep on going. You may say that, sir, what is the time complexity? Suppose assume that first number contain m digits, second one contain n digits. Both you have to traverse. So time complexity order of m plus n. Time complexity order of m plus n. Space complexity order of m plus n, because you have to create one more linked list for both of them. So remember, when you say big O, it need not be m plus n. Big O means whoever bigger will come. So I think, see this one. One is this much, one is this much. When you add this one, right? These are stopped, but this is still going on. Actually, space is going to be whoever bigger. That is the meaning of this. Big O means whoever bigger. So this can also be written as, this can also be maximum of m comma n. Whoever bigger you take. This is also written as max of m comma n. This can also be written as max of m comma n. Big O you can write. Big O will do that only. Big O will take a bigger one. Big O will take a bigger one. So time complexity m plus n, order of m plus n, meaning is same. Big O of max of m comma n. Big O of max of m. This is equal to big O of max of m comma n. Fine. That is fine now. Now the next question is going to be, sir, you are taking lot of space. Can't I adjust to in the existing one itself? Can't I adjust? Right? At the time, one of the linked list you can use to store the result. One of the linked list you can use because after adding, I don't care about both the linked lists. Why don't you store the result in one of the linked list? So I think a bigger one you can store. Now see idea here. Everyone listen. Now see idea here. This is the one linked list, which is the bigger linked list. It is a smaller linked list, means smaller number. Then add both of them. See, you added this number, you added this number, you added this number, you added this number. And after adding both the people, whatever result will come, store here. Whatever result will come, instead of storing here, store here. Whatever result is coming, instead of storing here, store here. No need to create new node. Whichever is the bigger linked list, in that linked list you can store. Modify the data. Previous data is 5 there. Is there 2 there? 5 plus 2, 7. Here keep 7. Next one, previous year 4 there, here 3 there. 4 plus 3 is 7. Keep 7 here. Previously here 8 there, here 9 there. 8 plus 9 is, I think, 16, 17. 17 including carry, add it. Whatever will come, keep it. So carry, same story, but add in the bigger linked list. Modify the bigger linked list data. Then space complexity becomes, right? I think because of you are adjusting within the available one, space complexity for the modified one becomes order of 1. Time is same. Space becomes order of 1. Let me write now. Can you make in place? That means without creating new list for result, can you do it? Yes, I can do. Then time complexity becomes as usual order of m plus n. Order of m plus means whichever is bigger, that much time. Space complexity becomes order of 1 because one of the linked list you are using to store the result. Right? Fine. I hope you got it. So for this problem, answer is time complexity m plus n, space complexity also m plus n. right? But can you save it? Yes, you can save. Instead of using the result purpose one more linked list, one of the linked list you can use. Which one? Whoever is the bigger one, that one I can use it. Whoever is bigger one, that one I will modify. Instead of creating one more node, keeping the result in that. But whichever is one of the linked list you can use. I think whichever linked list is bigger. First to find out which linked list is bigger. Which linked list is bigger, find out that one you can use it. In that one you can keep on store. So same code, nothing there here, same code you can use. Now what you do is, so see this one, you are creating a new node here. Instead of creating new node, right? In the whichever linked list is bigger, in that linked list you can store. See, previous next is the temp. So data, see the data, sum is here. This sum should goes to whichever linked list bigger. This sum should goes to whichever linked list bigger. Let us assume that first linked list is bigger. Assume. Then what you do is first data is equal to sum. Previously first data is 4. Now after summation you got 7. You can store 7. Lastly return first. Instead of returning res, right, which is the new person, right, you can return the first itself. There itself you can do some small modification, right? That's it. I hope you got it.